What good YouTube?
I don't even understand what's going on. I'm saying, there's a lot going on here. Hey.
So yeah, guys, this is me going home. So I'm going to the tech saying to grab some checks. Some taxis. I'm going to my new house, and it's my first time going there at night.
So this is what happened.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna roll there. But yeah, this is the rank. I'm gonna miss it, man. This is where I used to take the taxi when I go to the ghetto. So now I'm in the taxi and I'm going home. So catch you guys. Hope you're gonna enjoy the video. Watch till the end, man. This video is emotional, boss. If I tell you what happened, you won't watch it. So yeah, continue watching the video. So yeah, this is me on my way going home. I don't like voiceovers, man. So yeah, watch the video till the end. Peace out. So guys, imagine Neil got robbed though. This guy was walking so fast towards me. So luckily I used a tag to open this main door. So I tapped this tag so fast and I rushed behind the door, and then I started recording this video. Look at him, he is the guy. Imagine guys, first day. So yeah guys, finally I'm home. So this is the main door. Guys, I'm not settled there. Like my heart is beating. There's the guy who wanted to chase me outside there. He was walking so fast, coming like beside the house. So yeah, that's the guy I was recording the video there. So let me show you around and where I'm going. So yeah, guys, this was the one of the most hardest day of my life. And imagine that day it was raining, it was cold. Imagine the temperature of the tire was very cold, man. And I felt like crying. It was painful, man. Yeah, it was painful, man. And I didn't even sleep the whole night. I was sitting, as you can see there, till around maybe 5. But here I was still sitting there, man. I just prayed that Almighty just gonna save me here. And after that, I just fell asleep. And then finally, your boy is sleeping. But it was the most hardest day of my life. Look, man, I was not even comfortable with it. And look, man, what's that now? Oh, man. But I was sleeping. Look now, it's morning now. And as you can see, it's about like the sun is about to rise. And it's a boy here. The boys was about to wake up and do some things, you know what I'm saying? So you guys stay tuned and watch this video till the end.
Morning guys, how was it? My face is not looking nice, but guys. So guys, I'm looking for a hardware which is nearby because I want to buy an adapter. I just realized that in my room there's a 3-pin plug adapter, so I have to buy the other adapter, the smaller one, so that I'll be able to connect like my head. So to connect so that I'll be able to connect my head, and then I will plug my cable there because it's a 3-pin plug. So I'm not able to connect it directly to the wall. So I want to buy that that adapter that I can plug in the walls so that I'll be able to charge my phone. So that's So guys, I got the thing that I was talking about, this one. So now I'm gonna plug my phone because it's on 1%. That's why I'm going to do because my phone is on 1%. So guys, stay tuned. If I charge my phone, maybe I'm gonna vlog when the bed is going to be delivered, and when I'm going to ShopRite just to grab some 1 or 2 things. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, watch it, and peace out. Sorry guys, it's around 12 now, and I have to leave for work Sunday. I left so early, so I'm just gonna wash my face firstly, and then I'll leave. So the guys that are going to deliver the bed, and they're going to put the bed here. So when I come back from work today, I'm gonna see the bed in this room. So make sure next video, watch the video, and you see how the room looks like when I got my bag. So guys, thank you for watching. Just stay tuned. For now, I'm not gonna vlog like many things. I'm just gonna go to the road outside there and get the text to go to it. So guys, peace out. So guys, as you can see, I live in Wales. Therefore, I'm going downstairs there to get the transport. So guys, I'm going now. I told. Okay. Hey, what's good, guys? So it's the following day now. So you guys, I think you lastly saw me when I was still in the taxi, coming to work now. So yeah, guys, now I'm on my way to the bank. Now I'm going to collect some money. So I just told that guys to deliver the bed at my workplace. So the guys, they're on their way now. They're coming to my way, and they're gonna deliver the bed there. Then I'll see what I can do there to take my bed home. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to collect some cash to the bank, so that when they come with the bed, I will pay them. I'll give them their money. So guys, make sure I stay tuned and make sure you watch the video to the end. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So just hope they're gonna deliver a nice quality and a good bed. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not easy hustling, man. It's not easy making some money just to get a crappy thing, just to get nonsense thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys stay tuned. So man, yeah, yesterday I slept on the floor, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it was not easy, man. It was a bad experience, man. It was very cold yesterday. So now I'm gonna buy my bed today, and those guys, they're gonna deliver my bed at my workplace. So guys, now I'm at the bank. I just collected the money. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned and watch this video till the end, man. Just for some motivation, yana. Just for some inspiration, you know what I'm saying? So you guys make sure that you watch this video till the end. Peace out, man. Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Press. So guys, finally the bed is delivered. So the guys they delivered the bed. It's nice. As you can see, it's the good quality. So guys, I'm not gonna vlog anything. I'm not gonna show you while delivering the bed at home because I'm not the one who's going to take it at home. Someone is going to take it then deliver it for me while I'm still at work. So you guys, make sure you stay tuned. Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Press. So yeah, it's been a long time, man. So now yeah, I'm done with work. So yeah, now I'm in McDonald's. I don't know if you guys can see clear, but now I'm in McDonald's. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my order. Then after that I'll go home. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the end because I'm gonna show you the room. Like I think previously you saw the room without the bed. It was not well arranged. So yeah. One order. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the room when I get home. So yeah. Peace out.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Thank you for watching the video till this end. And so guys, it's what it's like to start life, man. So yeah, let me sleep. You know our peace, which is to sleep with parents.